Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. So today I'm back with my toenails. But before that, I would like us to do a quick haul of my liner brush that I got from Cuticle. So these are the liner brush that I got. So the brushes, they were retailing for 408 rand. Last time when I purchased, it was like 2 weeks back. So I checked now on my app, so the prices has changed, but I'm gonna put them somewhere on the screen. So if you want them, just go to takealot.com and write nail art brushes or liner brush, and then you will find them. I don't have any affiliate links, and this video is not sponsored or anything, so I'm just telling you where I got those brushes. So going back to today's video, I'm just gonna grab some gloves, and put them on so that we can work on my toenails. So I already removed the previous polish, which is green. So now I'm just pushing back my cuticles. I don't have a lot to cut there, but I'm just pushing them back. This is like my every time routine when I'm changing the color on my toenails. So today I'm feeling French. I just want to do nude and white French. So this is what I'm going to do on this video. So just please watch it from start to finish, and then comment down below and tell me what do you feel, how you see it, and then let's interact in the comment section, please. So important notice, my upload days, from now I'm gonna post only on Sunday, because I'm working from 7:30 to 5, so I don't have time to rest. I'm always tired, I'm always busy, so I just decided to post only on Sunday, 12 p.m. on Sunday. So yeah, everything, if there's any changes, I'm gonna tell you, but for now it's gonna be Sunday 12 p.m. every Sunday 12 p.m. Good prep is a key. So if you prep your nail very well, you won't experience any lifting, any chipping. So make sure you prep your nail very well. Just watch this video, the preparation on how I prep my toenails, and then I don't experience any chipping, anything. So just, yeah, watch it, and then if you have any questions, just comment down below. I'm just dipping this brush into the acetone just to clean up those edges there. I don't want any dead there, so I'm cleaning them with a brush. Just dipped the brush that is dipped into the acetone. I like to start with a base coat because it prevents my nails from any damages, and then it has the polish to adhere better on my nails. I applied 3 coats of this gel polish, but on this video I showed only 2 coats, but I applied 3 coats. So like it depends how you want it, yeah, it depends how you want it. You can apply 2 coats, you can apply 3 coats, you can apply more than 3, so it depends. So on me, I applied only 3 coats of this polish. In between those application, I'm fully curing my polish for 60 seconds. liner brush on this FAVE. So if you see me doing any mistakes on this, just know that I'm still finding myself, like how to hold this, because I'm used to a very thin liner brush. So now I'm still struggling, but apart from that, it's painting very well. That's very well. Like, yeah, it's number one. I love it already. And I applied 2 coats of this white. I didn't want the nude to overpower the white, but I wanted the white to overpower the nude. Now I'm covering my masterpiece with a glossy top coat just to make it shiny. Now we're gonna apply the cuticle oil around the cuticle area and around those edges. And this is it for today's video, DIY pedicure at home. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, share the link of my videos, and we will see you again on the next uploads. Bye bye.